Hello guys, this is Roberto Muyela and you are watching Tour Kenya on Bicycle. Today I've prepared for you a list of roads in Westlands that I think they need a little bit of attention, or a lot of attention from the Nairobi County Government or the Westlands constituency. Yesterday I toured Westlands and I compiled a list of at least 7 roads and places that need attention. First on the list, as you can see on your screen, is this section outside Dunhill Towers, which is under the Nairobi Expressway. It's the same place where the bridge, the new footbridge in Westlands, terminates, or rather ends from the other side of the road. The next place that needs a lot of attention is this place outside Parkinn. You can see it's soaking a lot of water and it has a lot of stones, and these are very high-end places. Parkinn is a very high-end place with gym, with the residential places and offices. It really doesn't need to have such kind of an environment. The other place is Rhapta Road, where the dilapidated bicycle and passenger walkway. Rhapta Road connects with the Ring Road to parts of Kilimani and other places like Lavington and many other places in those sides of Nairobi. Away from that, there is this which in my view I don't know why the contractor has slowed down operations on this road, but I think this U-turn near the Westlands footbridge needs a lot of baptism. It needs to be fixed so that there can be smooth transition of traffic, coming from Rhapta Road, traffic coming from town, and traffic flowing to town, and also traffic that wants to join Parklands Road and is not interested to getting to the Westlands roundabout. Next place that I think needs salvation. This one does not even need repair. This one needs a lot of salvation, a lot of prayers, and very big engineers should be deployed. Is this section outside the mall, Naivas. It's also the mouth of the Nairobi Expressway. It's an entry and also a terminus. The Nairobi Expressway, the same place where we have the stage, the Westland stage. This place looks very bad and something needs to be done. It's the same place where we have the mall. We have a petrol station around here, and ahead we have the controversial fig tree. I think it's the fig tree which was nearly cut down or uprooted when the contractor of the expressway was drawing the plan, or was in his first facets of actualizing the Nairobi Expressway project. This place is soaking a lot of water, has a lot of holes. You may not really wade through this water because you may be ending in a manhole and you break your leg, break your arm, or you may even drown in this place. This section connects the mall and this road. What is the name of this road? Mpaka Road. Yeah, connects the mall and Mpaka Road. You can see it also has some few facilities for the Nairobi Expressway. This is the controversial fig tree. Then the other road is Mpaka Road. At the end point where Mpaka Road meets Parklands Road, as I passed, I came across a section that was flooded. This is sewage. On the left side, this is sewage. This place needs to be unclogged. This road is good, but its side needs to be sorted. The other place is outside Sarit Center. Yeah, outside Sarit Center, I think this is an extension of Parklands Road. This section is terrible, and Sarit Center is a very nice place, a very good place. It really doesn't need to have such an entry. Finally, on my list is this section of Parklands Road that connects Parklands Road to Waiyaki on the side that heads to town near the new bridge. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like, and also comment. Until next time, bye bye.